Macy's, Herald Square, New York. Reason why we're here, we're going to hunt down a particular mechanical fossil that's still functional. If we're lucky, we get a chance to ride on it. Join me. On the 9th floor of Macy's in Herald Square is a little surprise, and that is one of the world's last functional wooden escalators. These were built by the Otis Company between 1920 and 1930, and they're still running to this day. So this is a century-old piece of technology, still running. There are only 2 left in this building, and one of them seems to be under repair. So if you want to ride one of these, now's the time to do it. Slats are actually wood. Look at that. Next level down they've replaced with metal, so they're almost all gone. The wooden railing, of course, is still around.